Hey everyone! In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to fix TikTok messages not working, whether you're unable to send, receive, or even see your DMs. TikTok isn't primarily a messaging app, but when messages stop working, it can be really frustrating, especially if you're trying to connect with friends or followers. So let's go through the easiest fixes step by step. First off, one of the most common causes of TikTok messaging issues is a simple bug or glitch in the app. Thankfully, this is usually easy to fix. Start by opening your TikTok app and go into your profile. That's the icon in the bottom right corner. Next, tap the menu button at the top right of your screen. It looks like 3 horizontal lines. From there, go to Settings and Privacy. Now scroll down until you find Free Up Space. Tap on it and you'll see different storage options. Look for Cache and tap Clear. When the confirmation window appears, hit Clear again. This removes any temporary data that might be causing TikTok to glitch or freeze. Once you've done that, restart the app, then try sending or receiving a message again. In most cases, this simple reset fixes the issue immediately. If clearing the cache doesn't work, you can also log out and back into your account, or check for app updates in the App Store or Play Store. Sometimes an outdated version of TikTok can cause features like messaging to malfunction. And that's it. Once you've refreshed the app and cleared the cache, your TikTok messages should start working again. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment letting me know which fix worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.